So here's a 6 marker from the A-level paper, and often these will come with a figure. In this case we've got an OS map. So it says figure 21 shows Milford-on-Sea on the south coast of the UK, and then we've got our map, which we'll look at more closely in a sec. Using figure 21, an OS map of Milford-on-Sea, and your own knowledge, analyse the potential advantages and disadvantages of the hard engineering. Right, so for 6 markers I'm always trying to use the figure as much as I can. So in this case we'll be trying to use grid references. And the other thing you've got to do is show that you understand, if you're analysing something, showing that you understand the figure. And in this particular case, they've asked us for the advantages and the disadvantages of hard engineering. So I'm looking out for hard engineering on the picture. And then in addition, as well, they've said, can you use your own knowledge as well as the figure? So let's find that hard engineering now. So you may see if I can zoom in here. They've got some groins at Milford-on-Sea, and that's the only hard engineering on the map. So just to point with the pen here, so groins in this region here on the beach. Okay, and we've been given the prevailing wind as well. So therefore, if we look closely, longshore drift must be going along the coast in this direction. And this is also proven by the fact we've got a spit, which is called Hurstcastle Spit, on the end of the bay in which Milford-on-Sea is located. So let's look at this person's answer. So have they got lots of evidence, which should hopefully be grid references and place names, and have they shown that they really understand the advantages and disadvantages of hard engineering? Okay, so just zoom in, there we go. So the figure shows groins located to the south of Milford-on-Sea, 288913. These will trap sediment and increase the size of the beach in front of the town. This will mean that the destructive waves, which will have a large fetch, are unable to attack to erode the coastline, as the beach will act as a barrier. Furthermore, the large beach will also encourage more tourists to visit the area, potentially bringing in money for the town. On the other hand, it could be argued that the hard engineering has disadvantages further to the east. Due to the prevailing wind direction, sediment is transported towards the Hurst Spit through AO5 However, with groins in place, this will mean that the spit is starved of sediment and will likely be breached without human intervention, potentially damaging the salt marsh, 3090, which is likely to be environmentally valuable. Furthermore, people may think that groins are ugly, and they also need to be repaired regularly if made out of wood. So they've really shown they understand the advantages and disadvantages, and let's just look at the evidence, which students sometimes lack. So here we go, lots of grid references in there, lots of place names as well. So they've put Hurst Spit in there as a place name from the map, for example. The salt marsh, and they've put the grid references there as well. So lots of evidence there, which is fantastic. They've even said the prevailing wind direction is from the southwest. They've really picked that out. So that's really good as well.